Okay, it is December 21st, 2018. 2 days ago, Solarez said they got a brand new light out, brand new UV cure light. Let's see it right here. Just got it in the mail, and I'm going to try this thing out. They sent it to me. I'm going to do a couple demos on this. I've got bone cure, and I'm going to do the Solarez vinyl epoxy. Okay, I used this the other day without the light, and it took about, I would say, about 15 minutes to completely dry in the sun. It was a pretty warm day. I think it was about in the 80s. So it took a little while, but what I'm doing here is I make rings, okay? I make rings similar to this. I've got one going right now. I've got one of the skateboard rings, as you can see, which I'm going to cure with the new UV light. And I'm also going to test the thin hard. I've been using this on my rings. Goes on good. Really hard stuff. Cures up real good. So I'm liking that product a lot. That's my go-to product right there. Okay, but I'm going to do a test here on this piece of wood with the 3 products and the new light. They said it's supposed to be a lot stronger. They didn't tell me better. They didn't give me the specs on it. They just said, I want you to run basically a beta test on it for us and see how it works. So that's what we're going to do. Let me get this set up. So I'm going to put a little bit of bone cure on now. Take and run this stuff around here on this piece that I already have ready. Okay, so we got bone cure right there. And got the Solarez thin. Okay. Just take one of these old brushes I got right here. Put a good size kind of thick coat on there. This is exactly the kind of how I do my rings. I put them on a ring mandrel right here like this and spin it. Okay, so that right there is the Solarez thin. And now I'm going to put on the vinyl Ester epoxy. I don't know. We'll see how this turns out. It seems to take a while to cure, but with the new light, maybe that'll speed up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to put that right there. Okay, we got the vinyl Solarez vinyl bone cure on this far side and the thin in the middle. So we'll see how this new high speed UV cure light works. What I do with my rings is I've got a variable speed lathe here, and I turn it on. I give it just slight spin about like that. So I'm going to zap these real quick. Let me turn it on. Give it just a quick go across. It's kind of what I usually do with the rings for the thin. Nope, didn't take, needs a little bit more. So as it's spinning, I'll go across. Back again. Okay, we'll see how that does. It's just a little bit of tack. Now the bone cure, that's done. That's done. Not even tacky. Not even tacky at all. just bang, right away. The thin in the middle, slight little tackiness to it. And that you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but it's still coming off on my finger. Yeah, it didn't even want to cure at all on that. So I'm going to take the light again. Now the bone cure, this guy right here, done. Hard, not even slightly tacky. And I'm going to tell you, in the middle again, the thin, slight tackiness to it. So I'm going to run that over again. Go on real low speed. Put it on there for a second. 2, 3, 4, that's about 5 seconds on the thin. Done. It's done. Not even tacky. Okay, let's see about the this one right here. Of course, this one's on the end. The vinyl epoxy. Look at that. Still nothing. Oh, nothing at all. Okay, we're gonna give that a few minutes. Turn this on. Let's go around. About 10 seconds. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm still pulling it up off. Okay. I'm gonna give it about 30 seconds here on the vinyl. See how the light does. Okay. Now it's tacking up a little bit better. I can draw a little bit up with my finger. So it looks like that's going to take roughly about a minute. But I would say right now with the light, the new light they got me, the bone right here, 2 seconds. 2 seconds at the most. Just bang, it kicked off hard. No problem. The Solarez blue, okay, the thin, it took about 10 seconds or so to completely become not tacky and dried pretty good. But I can see that the vinyl Ester epoxy is going to take a little bit more. Now I'll later on another video go ahead and put a timer on it and see exactly how long that takes. But I'm still pulling it off on my finger. So there we go. Quick review of the Solarez, what they say is the new light. They just got in a couple days ago. Sent it to me to beta test on that. I'm going to probably get a timer out and see exactly how long it takes. It looks like the same one as the other one that they sent out. So I don't know. Definitely for the thin and the bone, no brainer. Bam, 1 second for the bone. All right.